Hi, everyone. Happy New Year and welcome to January's edition of the Reading Research Recap. Last year, I ended the year with two sort of large-scale macro studies that involved either several thousand students or spanned several decades. That's why this year in 2025, I want to start really small with a paper that covers just a single student. Now, why would I do that? Well, sometimes you have students that are treatment resistors or non-responders where you've tried everything with them and nothing seems to work. But you know that you're still supposed to be doing DBI or data-based individualized instruction with them. How do you go about doing that? Well, this paper offers a really great method, brief experimental analysis, to use with those students. So let's jump into a little bit of background on what BEA is. Brief experimental analysis is just a super quick way of figuring out which intervention is most effective for a given student. You do this by implementing a different intervention in each session or across the different days and seeing which one leads to the best outcomes on a post-test that's administered after that session. And you establish cause and effect. You show that one intervention is more successful by repeatedly seeing that same pattern. Another really cool aspect of this study is that they combined BEA with another framework, Daly et al.'s 5 reasons for student failure. And this is important because it gives you a sort of starting point to select which interventions you're going to use. Daly outlined 5 reasons for student failure, and each one of these can be used to create an individualized reading intervention. Now, this particular study examined 3 of these with this student and found that the one where corrective feedback was provided plus a reward, so suggesting that the student just needed a little bit more motivation, was the best condition. Now, you're probably not going to see the same results with your students, but that's not really the point of this study. The take-home message is that BEA is a great approach to use. It's a logical, systematic, data-based way of individualizing instruction for those students that you've tried everything with and nothing seems to work. All right, that's all that I have for January, and I'll see everyone in February.